Welcome to Destinations A to Z. I am Glenn Bailey. It's almost that time of the year again to the largest RV super show in the world. That's right, the Tampa RV Supershow in Tampa, Florida on the Florida State Fairgrounds. We are going to bring you the best and the most complete information to prepare you for the show coming up on January the 14th through the 18th from 9 to 6 every day except Sunday, which is 9 to 4. And by the way, don't forget to hit that like button at the bottom as it helps out our channel. What will be at the show? The show will have everything, representation from all major RV manufacturers, as well as hundreds of accessory booths and exhibitors. They will have more suppliers booths that every type, size, and style RV on the market. And with the addition of new entertainment and more seminars, they are anticipating record crowds again this year. And with interest rates finally starting to come down, you can bet there'll be larger crowds as they're going to be eager to buy. They are also renewing the 2-day pass, so the public will have 2 full days to see the show at no additional cost. And trust me, you will need those 2 days to see this show. This show you cannot see in just one day. What brands are they going to have? You're going to see the Mules like this one. You're going to see the Integras like this one. Tiffins. You're going to see anything from $3 million Mules, Bravos, all the way down to the truck campers that goes into the back of the pickups and also the pop-up. But you're also going to see some of the latest technology being unveiled at the show as well. Don't forget to check out those videos as well. By the way, the links will be in the description below, so that way you can access those. We're going to show you every single detail of how to get to the show now. Right here is the location of it. So in reference to it, it's right here at the corner, right off of Interstate 4 and 301. As you zoom in, right here you can see the Florida State Fairgrounds comes right into play. So now I want to turn on the satellite. All of this section right in here is where you'll actually be parking at. So this will be public parking areas. Come in here to the side and enter into this location, or you'll come down here and enter here or here. In reference to this, when you do come in, you have 3 gate areas here that you'll be able to get access to. This building right here where it says center plate is actually the vendor section 1. This over here next to the Teca Arena, this is vendor section number 2. All the RVs will be over through here. Okay, zooming back out, let's go back to road view so that way you can actually see more. You can see here, here's Interstate 4. You come up and you want to get off of this exit right here. To actually exit 7 is where you want to get off, and exit 7 will take you right over to it. How you get to the Florida State Fairgrounds, just simply follow the signs from each direction and to the Florida State Fairgrounds, and you will have no problems. Here is the 2026 Florida RV Supershow website. You can see here's January the 13th through the 18th at the Florida State Fairgrounds. To get to this, you go to www.frvta.org and it'll open up here. We'll go down through here and show you the overview first. Here you can see off to the left, you have the exhibitor and show information, fire marshal codes, rules and regulations, RV manufacturer rules, booth vendor, media, seminar schedule, and then the location map. We've already showed you the location on how to get there. Here's an interactive map. We'll click on that here in a few minutes. Show details. Tuesday, January the 13th is for industry day only. It's RV industry personnel and media only. You must have credentials and ID to enter. Public days, January 14th through the 18th is the public. You want to take advantage of the free shuttle that's offered that will travel around the outside of the show and take visitors to the north and end of the midway. Seminars are presented throughout the day, making it easy for everyone to see. The hours, once again, is Wednesday, January the 14th through Saturday, January the 17th from 9 to 6. Sunday, January the 18th from 9 to 4. Location again is Florida State Fairgrounds. The admission this year is $15 per person for a 2-day pass. Children under 16 free. Tickets are available for purchase at the entrance of the gate. Pre-sale tickets is you can get them for $2 off, and that's the link to get to it right here. And I highly recommend doing that, so that way you can get it for $13. And you avoid the ticket sales at the booth. The discounts Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are Senior Citizens Day, so it's automatically $2 off. First responders and military is $2 off every day, as it should be, and not valid with any other discounts. Parking is handled through the Florida State Fairgrounds, and you can click here to pre-purchase your tickets. This is brand new for this year, so you can pre-purchase to get in. This year it is $12 per car on site at the day of purchase, or $10 per car with online pre-sale. And again, that is a $2 savings. Last year it was $10 on site, but now they did that for pre-sale only. It's $20 per RV on site, and you can do that online purchase as well. Pets, mild-mannered tempered dogs on a leash, and please clean up after your pets. I mean, that's just common sense, people. Come on. Please clean up after them. Camping, overnight parking. You want to visit the Florida State Fairgrounds website for more information on that, and connect to Camp Florida for area campgrounds around. The hotels, it's 26 Florida RV Supershow local hotel bookings. The start date is Sunday, January the 11th, and the end date is January the 20th. Hotels offering a special group rate is the Sheraton Tampa Bradenton Hotel, but I'm just going to be honest with you. Most likely that hotel is done booked. Here's other local hotel information, but I recommend utilizing your favorite travel website and book your hotel. Wheelchairs is Hometown Mobility Rentals. They're now accepting reservations online, and you can call there. The cost is there's a $10 processing fee for all reservations, and they're also open all days of the event to answer any questions. And as always, they'll hold a limited number of wheelchairs and scooters for walk-up customers on a first-come, first-served basis. Reservations are encouraged, though, and I highly recommend you do that. And otherwise, you won't get one. The electric scooters are $75. Wheelchairs $30. A wagon is $20. Single stroller is $20, and a double stroller is $25. Rentals are available at gates 1, 2, and 3. Entertainment, enjoy strolling entertainment during the show, and it goes on throughout. They'll be walking the entire park. Social media, they'll have that coming soon on their Facebook page. New model and information is coming soon still yet. The Florida RV Supershow is the ultimate destination to see the latest in the RV models, and you won't want to miss it. The attendance for the 25 RV Supershow was 68,612 people. This just gives you an example of how many people does show up. Seminar schedules. Here's Wednesday, 10 a.m. You have RV Electricity 1. 11 a.m. is Alaska Guided RV Tours. 12 p.m. is Talking, Towing, and Safety. 1 p.m. is the owning, generator operation and maintenance. 2 p.m. is Class A diesel chassis maintenance. 3 p.m. is Unlocking Peace of Mind Travelers. 4 p.m. is RV Solar and how it can work for you. Thursday, January the 15th, beginning at 10 a.m., RV Electricity 2. That's generators, inverters, lithium batteries, and solar upgrades. Alaska Guided Tours at 11. 12 o'clock is Talking, Towing, and Safety. 1 p.m. is Coming Engine Maintenance. 2 p.m. is RV Roofing. 3 p.m. is Understanding Your 12-volt and 120 Systems with WFCO. 4 p.m. is Adventures Genie and AI Magic Easy Trip Planning. Friday, January 16th is RV Electricity 3. It's RV hot skin voltage, dangers, testing, and troubleshooting. 11 a.m. Understanding Guided RV Tours. 12 p.m. is Capability of Lithium-ion Batteries. 1 p.m. Unlocking Peace of Mind Travelers. 2 p.m. is Class A Chassis Maintenance again. 3 p.m. is RV Solar, and 4 p.m. is Adventure Genie and AI Magic again. Saturday, January the 17th, 10 a.m. is your co-pilot. 11 a.m. is Alaska Guided RV Tours. 12 p.m. is RV Roofing. 1 p.m. is tire pressure monitoring, and I highly recommend you have this on all your RVs. That is a necessity. It also will help you and prevent, not necessarily stop a blowout, but it'll help you, make you alert of when a blowout is possible. 2 p.m. capabilities of lithium-ion batteries. 3 p.m. is RVing gas and the Atlantic provinces. 4 p.m. is understanding 12 volt and 120 volt. And Sunday, January the 18th, 10 a.m. is RV fire safety. 11 a.m. is Alaska caravans. 12 p.m. is discounts on fuel when traveling. 1 p.m. is on-in generator and operation maintenance. 2 p.m. is unlocking peace of mind travelers. Then here's your upcoming shows that's coming out through Florida right here that they support. And then here is more information and planning your trip to the RV Supershow with tips and tools. And then here's how to choose your best RV for RV travel. And these are just blog stuff, and you can go down and see that. Let's talk about the interactive map. Here you can actually see the interactive map. This is the main entryway right here. When you come through right here. This is where the Prevos are, and also for travels, and then your airstreams. This is supplier building B, and then over on the other side, on the south side, is supplier building A right here. So that being the case, this is one entry, supplier building A right here. This is another entry. And when you come in, you can scroll through this interactive map. I'm not going to go through every single thing that's here, but you can see you can click on each one of them and it tells you where they're at, how big a space they have, and so on. And then when you get down to the vendors and you want to see more of those, you can literally scroll in and see exactly what vendor is here and know exactly where they are on the map, and therefore go to them, and you see exactly how to get a hold of them, including their website. So you want to make sure to check this out up close, and that way you have a map or in your mind, or you could write it down which booth you want to visit within this area and this area here as well. You don't want to miss utilizing this. This is a great map to guide you around the entire park. And then the way it was before, the influencers are over here on to the left, and I think they may actually be moving it to a larger area this year for everyone to meet and greet. Mule, they'll always be up here on to the right at the front. As soon as you come out of this building over here, you'll come out to the right, and that's where Brian Pitt will always be with the mule. So right here's where your RV influencers are now. It's right behind the Ford Towing Boot Camp right here, and right after Forest River. So this is where they're located at. So this is pretty much the map. Back to this. Here is your pre-sale tickets. I will have this link in the video description below, so that way you may be able to utilize this at your leisure. Here you can see the information. Here's the admission tickets, and you can buy right now, $13. Here's your parking passes. You can do all this at the same time. Also, let's talk about the weather. The weather in Florida in January is typically warm. However, please be sure to check the weather forecast the week prior to coming down, as weather is subject to change. I've been down here with it, actually in the 30s. And yes, I've been down here with it in the 80s and sunny. I've also been here with it in the 50s and raining. So you've got to dress appropriately to what the weather is, and please pack accordingly. And also, if you're looking to stay at hotels, be sure to go out and check out Travelocity or Expedia to see where you can find. Those are usually the best ones, or your favorite travel website to find you a hotel, as most all of the rooms at the host hotels are already taken up. Links to everything that we're talking about will be in the description of the video below. You'll be able to go out there and check it out. Right now, presently, cannot wait to getting to the show. The show has everything imaginable. And also, speaking of the show, one of the things that I need to mention to you, make sure you wear your walking shoes, as you will be getting a lot of walking in. They do have shuttles throughout the show. However, most of it will be walking, so make sure you wear something explicitly comfortable, so that way you can walk without hurting your feet. And not only that, but you may have to walk a distance to get to your vehicle outside the show, or even coming into the show. Guys, hope you like this video. Hope this video has been helpful for you to get your preparation on for the Tampa RV Supershow coming up in Tampa, Florida in January. Please hit that like button below, as that helps out the channel. And guys, I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.